Welcome back to Fat Rob's Fishing. Just made it out to Lake of the Pines, meeting Big John out here. He's already out there on the water somewhere, so I'm about to go out there and find him and hopefully get on some fish today. Water looks really, really nice. Again, it's my first time here, so we hope to have some luck. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try this for a couple seconds. Then I'll go find Big John. I should stop right now and go to the truck and grab some off because mosquitoes are already bothering me. Let me give him a call.
Sorry, but the person you...
He must be catching fish. He sent me the voicemail. I think he told me to go straight up along the street on him to the right. Let's call John back, see if he answers. Well, no phone service. Alright, I'm gonna put the rod up and go find John. If no Butch was here, he'd be killing the frog in this muck. Let's just see what the buzzbait does. Oh yeah, probably needs a frog. I might have turned my frog on. bait is not gonna work. We're going to put a frog on this bad boy. Alright, so I've been paddling around for an hour. I still can't find John. Oops, nice bird nest. So it doesn't help that there's no cell phone service out here. Need some walkie-talkies or something. Alright, let's see if we get phone service. Ooh, we got a couple bars. Let's see if we can connect. Alright, I think you're like a ninja or something because I can't see you.
Are you in this big opening yet where you put the high line?
Is that you right there?
Yeah.
The High Line?
Yeah.
The hell is the High Line?
Oh, yeah. Pull it up on the map, find the high line, and come to it. I'll be by you.
When you say High Line, you mean like the big old...
Electrical transmission line.
Okay, I see some lines like with some white buoys or something to my left.
I'm right there by them.
Okay.
I'm about 30 yards to the right of them.
Okay, so you're where the hell back there?
Yeah.
Found the ninja. I thought I had a bite. On a frog? Yeah, I tried to throw my buzz bait in that green stuff.
No, you gotta throw it to the right. That's why we got the frog.
How many have you caught? Thought I was never gonna find you.
Well, when you told me you was in the water, I came up around that point but I can't see the boat ramp because the sun's in my eyes.
See, I thought I'd seen you. Was like, no, that might not be him. So I went straight behind the tree line around the boat ramp and made a right.
I played straight across the boat.
Well, that's what I did. I bet you we could pull one out from in there. I already got my rods caught in a tree. These fish are hiding from us today. Any bites? I saw a bass. Oh.
Start with the GoPro record. Okay, down.
Didn't skunk.
That rod finally got it on. It's a monster too.
Yeah, that's, yep, look how big that is.
That's almost 12 pounds.
At least. I need a third hand just to carry it.
Well, now you know what they're doing.
Hell yeah.
GoPro, stop recording. I didn't stop yours.
No. There we go. First fish of the day. It didn't skunk.
It's a
My-
fruit kid.
My first bass on Lake Pines. Bam!
There you go.
It's almost 1 o'clock. We're gonna fish this little area. Boat ramps right there. And call it. I'm extremely happy I didn't skunk today. It's a new lake. Still gotta figure it out. I'll definitely come back. John's just nailed 2 on his jig. Well,
Had a good day. Once Rob found me,
I
they
did.
said I'm a ninja.
He was like a ninja. It took an hour to find this guy. I mean, he's wearing camel looking kayak. He's like, I'm over here on the right, and this lake is massive. So what was happening is he was catching fish, and he didn't want to share the spot.
That's a lie.
So that was what really happened. Because after they stopped biting, he's like, oh, I'm over here by the power lines.
That's a lie. I caught 2 fish by the power lines. One when he was there, and one right before he got there.
Yeah, whatever. But a good day out here. Was it Lake O Pines or Lake of the Pines? What is this place called?
Lake O the Pines.
Lake O the Pines.
I call it the Pines.
The Pines. There you go. First time out here, and you know I didn't skunk. I caught a dink, but I caught a fish. So I definitely like this place, and I'm definitely be coming back.
Oh yeah.
So again,
This water drops. Come on back.
Yep.
It'll be bad.
Thanks for the invite, and we'll see where we go next time. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all on the next one.